we get a brief adjournment so that you organize all your documents. Should I do that?
My Lord, I don't see any necessity of this.
Okay.
Can I be excused? Because I don't have the time for this.
Thank you.
I got my own time
Yes.
to answer, and this is an exhibit of thinking on which I'm working now on. It's not something I got with me now. It's not something I prepare for this cross-examination or to be recalled back.
Mr. Usteyn, from my side, you are excused.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you. Then, I thought we were leaving. When you said you
I
want to
will
be
wait for
excused, I thought you were going to leave.
The judge.
Mr. Usteyn, Colonel Usteyn is a colonel. He knows the law. He can't be dismissed by the council.
I'm not dismissing him.
Yeah,
my
no,
lord.
you say he must leave. You say he must leave.
No.
I'm the only one who can tell him to leave. He knows that.
Yes,
No,
Been
but
giving evidence for over 30 years.
that's correct.
Am I right about the 30 years? Sir?
Maybe more.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, go on if you want to go on.
so I don't know what is happening now, madam.
No, the
Because he has
witness is here. He's
requested to be
seated. He's giving
excused.
evidence.
Excuse me, madam.
The witness is giving evidence.
No, I'm cross-examining him
Yes,
now.
continue.
Yes.
Continue.
He must answer questions.
Yeah, fine.
Samunana nginibingelele nginamukele kule video yanamhla emva kwesikhathi eside sesiphinde ke futhi siyahlangana bingelelwa ke Mxolisi Dlomo mangabe yaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe kwale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje ngenza kwethu angisizokhuluma kakhulu njengamanje sengizovela nje ngulethele video uyibonele ngawakho konke okwenzakalayo njengamanje kodwa ozokubona uSteyn ongufakazi ke walapha enkantolo ecaleni likaMeyiwa elwisana ke advocate uMnisi uJudge Ratha ngenama ngaphakathi ke manje sekumele ukuthi ke athathe uhlangothi asho ke yena ukuthi ke umi ngakulo noma ke umi ngakulo ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho ngingakhulumeli.
Please, I don't have time for questions again and again and again. If I answer it one time, I think I'm finished with a question.
Okay, you can mention it that you answered it previously. You can.
That's correct, yeah.
If you have.
I have, yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I've requested you, sir. I said to you, what other information should we also correct in this table that you are now referring to Pinky's table? But this information is contained in your affidavit. But nonetheless, you said the towers should also be changed.
That's
you
correct.
you referred me to, I think, exhibit KK4, and then you said that document, is it KK4 or KK5? In KK5.
Yes.
Then you said that that document is also incorrect.
That's correct.
And
But
then I said to you, let us get the right one. And then you then presented the document, and you had shown it to the state that that document is also not written, you understand. Now I said to you, would it appropriate for me to request on your behalf that we adjourn for a few minutes so that you sort out your documents? Then you say it's not necessary, you see. But that is problematic because we need to correct these cell towers, because we are saying also on this table, these cell towers must also change, you see. And for you to be able to effect the change on the cell towers, we must have a look at a particular document. You see, because we can't pass this aspect of the evidence if we have not effected the necessary corrections, as per your indication that the cell towers also need to be corrected as well. Now, what is it that needs to be corrected in terms of the first tower that reads 3G Kimberley MWCPN?
my page is only from 3rd August 2014, 01.